In this video, let's see an IIT JEE question asked in the year 1981 for 2 marks. The question says, evaluate the integral of e raised to the power log x plus sin x whole multiplied by cos x with respect to x. So how do we do this type of a question? As you can see that this question involves 2 terms all multiplied together with 1 term. So we have to separate the terms. For that purpose, I write solution, and when I write solution, my first step should be what? My first step should be evaluate I is equal to. In order to refer it later, I am naming it as I. Now let's see how to do it. So I is equal to integral e raised to the power log x whole multiplied by cos x dx. Then in between we had plus, so plus sign. Then integration of sin x cos x dx. Now as you can see, this is e raised to the power log x. The base here is e, so e and log e nullify each other. So what are we left with? We are left only with x. So I write here x cos x dx plus, here we have sin x cos x. In order to simplify this, can we make it a formula? If I divide by 2 and multiply by 2, what happens? 1 by 2 for division, and here it becomes 2 sin x cos x dx. Now why I have used this? Because I know 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So I can use that formula. Here I will be writing the formula for you. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Now let's move further. See, this has 2 terms. One is the algebraic function x, the other is cos x. Cos x is the trigonometric function. If I use IIT for integration, that means integration by parts. So IIT has the inverse trigonometric function, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. So algebraic function and trigonometric function are in the order that algebraic function is the function number 1 and trigonometric is the function number 2. So what should be the formula for integration by parts? First function into integration of second. What is the integration of cos x? It is sin x minus differentiation of first. What is the differentiation of x? It is nothing but 1 minus differentiation of first into integration of second, that is sin x whole integration dx. And here what does it happen? 1 by 2 in the plus remains as it is. This is nothing but 2 sin x cos x, which is sin 2x. Now sin 2x integration is what? It is nothing but minus cos 2x upon 2. So I write minus cos 2x upon 2. And plus c should be the constant of integration. We cannot ignore that. Let me simplify it further. So it is x sin x minus integration of sin x. So integration of sin x should be minus cos x. So minus and minus becomes plus. So it is cos x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 4. So let me edit it further. So it is nothing but 1 by 4. This plus and this minus becomes minus. So this should be minus cos 2x plus the constant of integration c, and that is the answer. So the answer to this question, which was asked for 2 marks in the IIT JEE examination, is x sin x plus cos x minus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus c, which is the constant of integration. So as you know, in this question, what concept we have used? We have used some trigonometric formulas and also integration by parts.